Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, Sports Minister Olivia Grange says changes will be coming to 3 of the nation's sporting agencies as the government moves to restructure its sporting programs. Minister Grange says the Institute of Sports and Independence Park Limited will soon be merged under one umbrella and that the new government-run body will also take on some of the current functions of the Sports Development Foundation, the SDF.
Functions that are normally performed by the Sports Development Foundation will also be transferred to this entity, which will be the Jamaica Sports Commission.
She says when that is done, the SDF will have a singular focus.
The Sports Development Foundation will focus primarily on funding, but the funding will not just be the funds that we get from the lottery, but it will be a broader scope, where the Sports Development Foundation will have to seek funding outside of the lottery as well as outside of Jamaica.
Meanwhile, Minister Grange also addressed the issue concerning the appointment of JOA officials to the board of the SDF. The new JOA administration had recommended that 3 of its directors, Chris Stokes, Garth Gale and Laura Smith, be appointed to the 11-member board, following the resignation of members of the previous administration. But Minister Grange says that process had been delayed because of the impending changes.
And prior to the JOA elections, I had written to the chairman of the SDF asking that the status quo remain as we are going through this transition. So both in terms of staff employment or any changes. We've gone through that process. The members of the SDF who were representatives of the JOA, their resignations have now been accepted because they had offered it. It's now been accepted. The new members will be appointed to the board.